cutting roots with your reciprocating saw and accidentally mistake a water pipe for a root and cut it with your recipro, you need to get down to Bunnings warehouse and get one of these. We're not sponsored by Bunnings or Dex at all, but we are just very grateful that on a Sunday we found this particular fitting so that we don't have to call the plumber and be raped and pillaged by their high exorbitant prices. Here's the damage. As you can see, a little bit of trouble there in the middle. Do this nut, and that will release the little part out. Doesn't hurt to give it a bit of a clean beforehand. Technically you're supposed to pull this apart and put it on the pipe over the bit that you've stuffed up. I might just pull this bit off. You've got to have a fair bit of muscles. There we are. Right, so if you've got the cuff on there, put the one on over the top, get the bolt, put it in through the back. We're going to just put the washer back on, put the nut on, and we're going to hope like hell that when we tighten this up, it's actually going to bring it all together and it's going to stop the leak, because our pipe is not the straightest pipe in the world, so this is a great test for whoever designed this. Just do it up as tight as you possibly can. Okay, this is the moment of truth. The water's getting turned on and it'll either spurt out everywhere or it'll be totally fine. Here comes the helper who has turned on the water, so we do hope that it is fixed. Seems to be. Just a side note to be clear, the hole was on this side, so you need to do your clamp up on the opposite side, and you also need to have the opening of the collar on this side. Good one. So another successful trip to Bunnings warehouse to fix up one of my mistakes, accidents, whatever it was. So now we can finally have a drink of water, which we've been waiting all day to do. And a shower. Magical. Oh, now it's not following me. Come on, come on. Right. Hi Bunnings. Thanks for helping us. Happy for you to sponsor us if you want. Bunnings Warehouse.